Hey YouTube, this is Joe again from Al & Ed's Auto Sound or Delray Custom. Just installed an AE003 Autostop Eliminator from AutostopEliminator.com. It is a fully plug-and-play part. There's the stock plug. The other end of the harness goes directly to the switch, and then just tuck it down into the dash, and I'll give you a demo. So my last setting on it was on, because that's how it defaults every time. And as you can see, it automatically actually defaulted to the off position. So if we wanted on, push it, otherwise push off. Auto start stop deactivated by switch. I'll shut us down and then turn us back on, and you will see that the original setting now stays. That's very cool. If you guys need help in Los Angeles installing one, give me a call, 310-827-8121.